How to fix the application was unable to start correctly 0xc0000005 error in Windows 11, 10, 8 or 7. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado let's begin. First of all, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard and type in temp and press enter on your keyboard. Here you need to simply select all the files in the folder by pressing Ctrl plus A on your keyboard. After that, you need to click on this trash icon and delete all these files in the folder. The next step you need to follow is simply again press Windows plus R key on your keyboard and type in %temp% and press enter on your keyboard. You need to do the same here as well. You need to press Ctrl A to select all these folders or files, and after that you need to click on this trash icon and delete all this permanently. Again you need to press Windows plus R key on your keyboard and type in Prefetch and click on OK button. Here click on continue and you need to select all this files and folder by selecting Ctrl A on your keyboard, and you need to delete all these files and folder permanently. Now after that you need to simply search for the RSD UI, and after that you need to click on open button. Here you need to select the next button. And here if you have more than one, you need to select the second one or the last one. After scanning for the effective programs and drivers, you need to wait for a while until the system store or restore looks for effective programs and drivers. And then you need to simply click on OK button if you do not get any of this. Click on finish and then click on yes button, and this will restart your PC. And after that you can easily go to the Windows search icon again and search for command prompt. Open it and type in sfc space /scannow and press enter on your keyboard. Once you have followed this step, you will successfully fix the application was unable to start correctly errors in Windows 11, 10, 8 or 7. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.